We here again. Welcome back, OS family. And been away for a minute. Been really just studying charts, grinding. We in an area and a time where um the dollar index really in a consolidation area. It's not really giving us any real insight to where it going. But even though that is the case, I'm still maintaining um sells for foreign, but just because we maintaining sales for foreign, that don't mean I wouldn't go long, which you can see here. This week here we have a weekly profile where we open Monday, traded up. We didn't take Friday's low or we didn't take Friday's high. We just in a consolidation here, and then Tuesday we open, we just traded all the way down. So today was a retracement after the bullishness we saw for Monday. Today could have just been seen as a day of retracement to just accumulate more longs. I got in a trade here on the drawn liquidity on the buy side, on the sell side, sorry. And for New York, we had some news coming in at 8:30. We traded underneath London price action. London low that sent prices up. We went 17 pips under, taking out Monday's low. Weekly profile, to me, so far inactive. It active for the highs to take the relative equal highs that was engineered yesterday. We traded down to 3.5 SD. And honestly speaking, I personally anticipate that Tuesday would come back down somewhere in, but the time is already, heading into London close in a couple of minutes. I think Tuesday would want to continue on the upside, but when Wednesday open, we could see a retracement for Tuesday. We took a higher time frame, which is a 4-hour low, and because we didn't have any we only had wick for Monday. We just wick underneath. So the retracement here was anticipated, where we need the bodies to have more volume and price here, a little efficiency, and we trading up. We have relative equal highs for Monday high here. Oh wait, wrong one. Monday high here. And to me, this given engineered liquidity on the buy side with Monday high, we break structure here on the 15-minute swing high twice. Break structure the first time, we traded down, back up, take these relative equal highs here, trade it back down. So I can anticipate that I could anticipate a push higher because the draw is on the upside. But if we don't get it today, which I think might be happening, but if we don't get it today, when Wednesday come back underneath here, I think that we could have a setup for our next buy. Because the weekly profile, even though we bearish on foreign, it have times where the market would be bullish. It would be just bearish right through. And in a bullish market, we seen here, we saw some bullishness keep coming in the markets for foreign last week, and we traded back down. This week we open and we seeing some more bullishness, anticipating the draw to be up here and to fill these gaps, and then subsequently try to get up here. I don't think we'll get it one time, but I do think we have engineered liquidity on the buy side that we would definitely want to tap into. This low that was taken out here, Monday low, is a significant low, and the fact that we're not getting strong, well, we have some momentum coming up on an hour. This big candle here indicating that we could see it want to go up to the upside. Friday high was pretty low, and we didn't take the high or the low. So that's telling me that, okay, we could have get the low here, take the low, but we didn't. So what that's telling me is we setting up for a little bullishness, and then we may get a reversal. Because if you look at Euro did take Friday's high and trying to close in this gap. So what I think is when Euro trade up into the gap here and close it in for Thursday, we may get a reversal coming into the downside. If we don't get a reversal, we keep on going up, then I think my stance might be more bullish going into the next, at least for the next couple of weeks, maybe in the next month. And that could tell me that that the dollar index would be going lower to seek lower prices, because again we've been on a 11-week run, have a lot of imbalances to fill on the index. We at the yearly high at the moment. Right now we're testing last year's high, swing high. So that's what I said in the last video. This is a very important time, in my opinion, for Forex, who trade, the dollar pairs and foreign currencies. To me, here we forming we have a propulsion block here, a bullish propulsion block on the upside, and we have our next continuation here. So we're seeing some breakdown coming into the market. So if we don't break over these highs inside here, I can anticipate a pullback again Wednesday and see how far Wednesday would want to go on the pullback. And I think Wednesday would try to push prices up inside here to fill this imbalance. So I just wanted to highlight this trade that are in the normal entry pattern. We traded down to 3.5 SD, and that was my initial trigger for this entry. And yeah, I just want to make a quick video explaining today's trade. And right, so we did get a loss earlier today, and then I did a re-entry, close off a partial here, and here, and we're still inside the trade. I was in a EU long, and I moved to break even, but I didn't take anything off, and price came back and stopped me out. I moved my stop loss too high, and it came back and stopped me out in profit, and that was this right here. So we moving good, we going well, and yeah, on the funded close off a trade today, we are up only 147, but it's a $10,000 a counter half, so that is 1%. I'm not mad at all, because today, I don't know if anybody ever get this, but today I was just feeling like I don't know what was going on. I don't know what, I tried to sell this Judas swing here. I wanted to sell this Judas swing when market opened Monday, and I gone and sell on Euro instead of here, and my analysis was on this. So initially I wanted to start the week with this sell. This would have been on a 33 pip, and I would have been finished. And then how I saw, well, finished for Monday obviously, and then I would have seen that the rest of the price played out, and I'd be like, wait, this is a far buy. Obviously I would have seen this entry here and I'd enter here as well. But after I got that loss, that threw me off. I started taking small lot sizes, and I was like, yo, don't go back in that mentality and not getting the most out of your trades. Just wanted to focus on getting back that money I lose, and I would start back taking the 2.5 lot sizes with the 15 pip stop loss and just manage the trade to suit. And yeah, so that's what we're moving with. Just wanted to make this video to highlight that we still on, we still grinding, we're not giving up. We're not going and give up. You know, this is what we here for. Trading would make you feel as though you don't know what you're doing, things going crazy. But you gotta stick to your back test and stick to your studies. Stick to what you know, what you see happening recurrent. In case in point today, weekly profile in play as of today. And one of the things I need to do is to stop predict so far ahead, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Just focus on what today doing and what yesterday did and what today more likely to do and what today looking to go towards. Because I always be thinking for the next day, but yet we still inside of today, and that does happen when I actually in the trade. So that's something I want to start doing today. And I given real experience in terms of what going through my head. Again, as a beginner, a lot of things will be going through your head, and you just anticipate price for the day. You don't try to predict price for the next day. You know, and that is what I had to focus on. So, just I'll end this video here. And honestly speaking, I hope price come back down into here so I can get our next long. But yeah, catch you guys in the next video. And yeah, we grind and we going for this thing, man.